guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 different ways to make money on Pinterest. And I absolutely love Pinterest. It's one of the top performing platforms that helps me generate consistent sales on a daily basis, amongst other things. So this video is going to be very helpful for you if you want to start using Pinterest to make money. Also, make sure to stick around all the way to the end to get my free Pinterest SEO guide that will help you get started the right way. So let's go ahead and get started on this video. So if you're looking for ways to make money online, you might want to consider using Pinterest. A large number of entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even e-commerce shops like Etsy, Shopify, Amazon use Pinterest as a search engine to share their products, their services, and content and drive unlimited traffic back to their products and services. And what makes Pinterest so special is that more than 87% of Pinterest users have bought a product on Pinterest after seeing it for the first time. That's huge, 87%. So just take that and think about that. You have an amazing opportunity to leverage the power of Pinterest to drive unlimited traffic back to your business and make a lot of money. So let's talk about 4 effective ways that you could start using today to make money with Pinterest. And these 4 ways are 4 ways that I actually make money with them as well. So the first one is monetize Pinterest with your own products and services. I think this is the most common way to make money with Pinterest is by just simply promoting your own products and your own services. And you could simply create a pin promoting your product by linking the pin to your landing page. So it's a very simple process. This will help you increase, brand awareness of your product and services. And the best part is that you can leverage the power of Pinterest to start driving unlimited traffic back to your services and products. And I personally use the strategy to promote my services, which include like my Etsy shops, my Etsy course, amongst other things. So it is a very great way to start generating income using Pinterest. Another popular way is promoting affiliate products. And this is very popular. Many people do affiliate marketing with Pinterest and make a lot of money. And the best part is that you could start making money on Pinterest even without a blog. A lot of people think that in order to do affiliate marketing, you need a blog, but not with Pinterest. All you need to do is basically find products that you want to promote. You sign up as an affiliate, and then you will create a pin of the product service and use the affiliate link as your URL. So if somebody basically clicks on the pin and they purchase from your affiliate link, you make a commission fee. I personally do affiliate marketing part-time, and I average anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000 per month, and I only use Pinterest. And I do this all with free traffic, which means organically, just by optimizing my pins for SEO. Now, the affiliate company I recommend is ClickBank. I have been an affiliate for them over 8 years, and they pay really, really well. While other affiliate companies pay anywhere from like 3% to 10% per sale, some pay like 20%. ClickBank actually pays you 60 to 90% of the sale, which is pretty high. So I highly recommend checking them out. The third way to make money with Pinterest is make money by using Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. So I don't know if you know this, but if you have a blog, you can make money by displaying ads in your blog. I actually make anywhere from $7,000 to $12,000 a month on one of my blogs, which is my keto diet blog. And I use Pinterest to drive traffic to the blog, and I get paid for anyone who sees or clicks the ads. And in January alone, I had over 127,000 monthly page views, and I made a whopping a little bit over $9,000 on ads alone. So if you are new blogging, a popular choice for you is going to be Google AdSense. Once you start generating more page views, you could upgrade to higher companies that pay more. The last option I would say is grow your email list. I'm sure you heard of it before, but the money is in the list, and the quickest way to grow an email list is by offering a lead magnet for an exchange of an email. So the lead magnet could be anything. It could be a free checklist, it could be an ebook, it could be a free course, or basically anything that provides value to your audience. And this is one of my secret methods in growing my email list to over 60,000 followers. So what you do is once you have the email, you could promote to them not only your affiliate products so you can make money, you could actually cross promote other platforms like your YouTube, your Instagram account, your Facebook account. So not only are you making money through your list, which is one way to make money on Pinterest, but now you're growing your brand. This is how I've been able to grow my brand, is through my email list. So as I promised in the beginning of the video, if you want to get my Pinterest SEO strategy checklist of the 6 places to optimize for SEO, you will find the link right below the video in the description box. So make sure that you sign up today. And let me know in the comment section if you are using Pinterest at the moment to promote your products and services, or are you promoting affiliate marketing, or are you thinking of starting a Pinterest account? And let me know what other videos you will be interested in me making that are Pinterest related that will help you in your journey. And thank you guys for watching.